Looking for the perfect dashcam to protect your car and capture every drive? From stunning 4K resolution and dual-channel recording to advanced night vision and GPS tracking, we've reviewed the top 5 best dashcams on the market. Whether you're a daily commuter, a ride-share driver, or a road trip enthusiast, find the ideal dashcam to suit your needs and budget. Number 1. Rove R2-4K Dual Dashcam. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dashcam stands out with its exceptional dual-channel recording capabilities. Capture every detail of your drive with the front camera's stunning 4K resolution, 3840x2160p at 30 fps, and the rear camera's 1080p clarity, supported by wide 150 degrees and 140 degrees viewing angles, respectively. This ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the front camera delivers unparalleled video quality, even in low-light conditions. The f1.5 and f1.8 apertures of the front and rear cameras enhance night vision, making it perfect for nighttime drives. Enjoy seamless connectivity with ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to transfer footage at 20 MB per second via the Rove app. Built-in GPS tracks real-time speed, location, and routes, adding vital data to your recordings for added reliability. Packed with advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording, and a 24/7 parking mode, the R2-4K provides all-around security. It comes with a free 128GB microSD card and supports up to 1 TB for extended storage. For peace of mind on every journey, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dashcam is the ultimate choice. Number 2. RedTiger 4K Dashcam. The RedTiger F7N Touch Dashcam elevates your driving experience with its 4K plus 1080p dual recording. The front camera captures stunning 4K UHD resolution with a 170 degrees wide-angle view, while the rear camera records in crisp 1080p FHD with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens. Equipped with WDR and HDR technology, it ensures superior night vision for crystal-clear recordings, day or night. Experience enhanced safety with hands-free voice and touchscreen control. Use simple voice commands or the responsive touchscreen to lock emergency videos, capture scenic moments, or toggle Wi-Fi, all while staying focused on the road. Stay connected with built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. The RedTiger app enables wireless access to your recordings, allowing you to share footage instantly with friends or insurers. The built-in GPS adds precise route, location, and speed data to your videos, offering vital information when needed. The F7N ensures uninterrupted recording with loop recording and G-sensor, automatically locking critical footage during sudden impacts. It also features 24-hour parking monitoring with motion detection and time-lapse modes, hardwire kit required. With easy installation, a 64GB card included, and an 18-month guarantee, the RedTiger F7N Touch is your ultimate driving companion. Number 3. Pruveeo 360-degree View Dashcam. The Pruveeo D90/4CH Dashcam redefines road safety with its innovative 4-channel recording system. Capture footage from the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle simultaneously in FHD 1080p. With adjustable angles on the front 3 lenses, this dashcam offers seamless 360 degrees coverage, eliminating blind spots. You can also configure one lens to record your vehicle's interior for added versatility. Enjoy efficient surveillance with time-lapse recording and parking mode. The time-lapse function compresses video to save space and enhance playback speed, while the optional ACC hardwire kit ensures reliable 24-hour parking monitoring without draining your car battery. The built-in GPS logger adds real-time data like speed, location, and routes to your recordings, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or roadside assistance. With the GPS video player, you can visually track your vehicle's path on a map. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi capability. Use the Pruveeo app to download, view, and share videos directly from your smartphone. Featuring quality night vision with an f1.8 aperture and infrared lights, the D90/4CH ensures clear recordings even in low light. Its loop recording and crash lock safeguard critical footage, while easy installation and a battery-free design enhance durability. Number 4. Yeecore Dual Dashcam. The Yeecore D22 Dual Dashcam sets a new standard with its native 4K resolution, 3840x2160 at 30 fps, utilizing an authentic 8MP sensor, advanced ISP, and exclusive 4D noise reduction for stunning clarity. The rear camera, equipped with cutting-edge digital IP technology, offers unparalleled stability and sharpness compared to analog alternatives, ensuring superior video quality. Cover every angle with the 157 degrees ultra-wide angle front camera and 140 degrees rear camera, perfect for capturing crucial details of the road and fender benders. Enhanced by the OVOS08A10 sensor and Sony HDR technology, the D22 excels in low light conditions, delivering clear, balanced footage day or night. Stay connected with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. The Yeecore Viewer app lets you control the dashcam and download videos seamlessly. The innovative GPS anti-jamming design provides accurate location and speed data without extra hardware. Features like emergency lock, loop recording, and 4 parking modes ensure uninterrupted protection. The user-friendly 3.3-inch iCare IPS screen minimizes glare and provides optimal visuals. Backed by US security testing, a lifetime technical support guarantee, and a 12-month warranty, the Yeecore D22 is a top-tier choice for safety-conscious drivers. Number 5. Affver 4K Dashcam. The Affver Dual Dashcam captures your journey in stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera, 160 degrees wide angle, and 1080p rear camera, 155 degrees wide angle. Perfect for family vehicles, new drivers, and rideshare professionals, it provides crystal clear, cinematic quality recordings for insurance claims and accident disputes. Stay connected with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. The advanced Wi-Fi allows lightning-fast video downloads at up to 8 MB per second, while the GPS logs your speed, routes, and real-time coordinates. View and manage footage via the app or Affver's GPS player for Windows and Mac. The large 3.59-inch IPS screen ensures effortless menu navigation, while the dashcam's low-profile design seamlessly integrates into your vehicle without obstructing visibility. Key features like seamless loop recording, AG sensor for automatic collision video locking, and a 24-hour parking mode, with optional hardwire kit provide comprehensive protection. The included 64GB card and dual-port car charger offer convenience and functionality on the go. Designed for exceptional clarity, the f1.5 aperture and WDR technology deliver superior night vision, ensuring high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. With easy installation and a 24-month warranty, the Affver Dashcam is a must-have for safety-conscious drivers.